Do you want one of these?
I do.
Well, Ian's going to tell you how to make it. And Derek's going to explain where it comes from.
And you're going to tell him how to drink it.
And I'm just going to drink it.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. I'm Derek Schomer. That's Dan. That's Ian. Welcome to the last and final episode for Tiki Month. This is like Shark Week, but a whole month worth and there's no sharks.
And what's the last drink that you do during Tiki Month?
Obviously, it's Scorpion.
Of course.
Scorpion Bowl, a Trader Vic cocktail. Wow, we almost got the
Jesus.
cool blooper for the reel.
Yeah, let's not be knocking the shit around.
So a couple things. Click bell icon. Subscribe so you get emails constantly that say, Derek put on a new episode. You should go watch it. That would be awesome.
And he'll be like, I'll put one on next week.
I'm gonna tie one on every other day.
Shit, I try.
So, like that little like button there, click it, subscribe to the show. There's a recipe coming up already. This is called, what are we calling this? The Scorpion? The recipe's going to be, and you can go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com and follow along, but it's going to be 3 ounces of orange juice, 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 3/4 ounce of Orgeat syrup, 3 ounces of light Puerto Rican rum, half ounce of brandy, 8 ounces, that's weird, this is grapefruit juice here, 8 ounces of ice or so. Make it up as you go along, because that's what we do. If you look at the recipe that I will have out on recipe.awesomedrinks.com, you're going to see that it doesn't match what I just said, because I divided this in half. This is a Scorpion bowl. We have done Tiki Month. We don't need a Scorpion bowl, so we're doing a drink.
I thought we needed a bowl. And Derek's like, no, let's pull back.
I was going to do
and
divided
then Ian
by
was
3.
like, I think we need a bowl. And Derek was like, let's pull back. So I guess we're just doing a drink.
I don't remember Ian chiming in at all. He was too busy talking.
I try to stay neutral.
Yeah,
He's like Switzerland.
Weird. Weird. That never happened.
Oh, you guys are arguing?
I was going to do...
He's just over here making the shit.
I was going to do divided by 3. Dan convinced me to meet in the middle at 1. Otherwise, what you get is 6 ounces of orange juice to 6 ounces of light rum. That's a lot of friggin' light rum. Just saying.
Well, we could do 6 ounces of rum to 3 ounces of orange juice.
No, that wouldn't be good. That ruins the whole thing. It's got to be equal.
All right.
And it's fresh orange juice. If you don't have fresh orange juice, do whatever you want. I don't really care. You're not.
So this isn't the original.
This is the original.
This is the original?
That's the funny thing, because this recipe is Trader Vic's from a 1972 bartender's guide. Now remember, Trader Vic started in like the 40s, so it's not the it's published now.
You're quick.
It's so full. But I guarantee you, if you go and get a Scorpion bowl down the road, it's not this recipe. It's gonna be something completely different. It's probably got pineapple juice and some other stuff in it. What are you gonna do? It's not blended like this.
Oh, it is going.
Oh, that's awesome!
Anytime you move your hand, I think it's all going to come.
Yeah, it dribbled a little bit.
But it did pretty good.
It was excited.
That was as most as you could fit in there. I'm not following the legal limits of what this says you're supposed to do, by the way. So, this is a blended drink. I've never seen a Scorpion, quite honestly, blended, but maybe they do this in the
I've never seen a Scorpion, like, not in a bowl with, like, a 151 shot in the middle.
Yeah.
Fire. I have a Scorpion. Oh, where am I? I think I threw the bowl out. I had a Scorpion bowl. It was inaccurate.
Are we supposed to sprig this with anything?
Well, typically, you probably throw...
Full there.
He's like, oh, no, I can do this. Pineapple that shit up.
It's about pushing the limits.
He's got a towel in his pocket. He's good.
Yeah. It's about pushing the limits. Oh, look at that.
Push it.
Push it.
Push it.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah!
Now it's good. Now it's good.
Look at that.
You didn't fall over a screen.
Oof.
Did you even know I just hit you?
Oh, I did.
I thought the fog cutter was just kicking in. So if you see a difference between this episode and the first episode, it's just because I'm with them.
I mean, it's been like a bunch of episodes, so just to let you know.
Go through the playlist. It'll be at the end of the video for all the Tiki Month.
Just watch them in order.
Yeah, watch them in order and you can watch the progression.
If you watch them in order and you make all the same drinks, and then
we'll
you get to the last drink, and you're still watching us,
that's a challenge!
and you're like, wow, I look like him,
you did
then you've done it right.
Tiki Month challenge.
Then
Do
you've done it really
Yeah.
well because he's not drinking all these drinks.
Yeah, that's true.
He's sharing with 3 or 4 people.
And Jennifer's drinking
some. I'm just saying.
No,
I
you
mean,
just had
Oh, wow, the bus just went by,
I'm just trying
and
to
it just fucking ran me over.
trying to deflate you a little bit.
Yeah, nice.
Your ego is getting way too big.
That's a Patriots joke for all the
That's my
Patriots fans.
co-hosts.
/ subordinate.
Yeah, / subordinate.
And if you go back to the first video, what was the first one we did? Does anybody remember? It was something like
It was from 453.
Molly High. No.
No, it was it was the one with the absinthe and the grenadine and the...
Yes.
Oh, Dr. Funk.
Dr.
So
Funk.
if you go back to the Dr. Funk, what you're going to find is Dan was
Oh,
slurring.
you can't even remember that.
Dan was slurring in the Dr.
Hear
Funk
my
because that's part of Dan's move. So doesn't mean he's drunk. Just
Because
saying.
then you don't know
That's
which
tasty.
one I'm starting to get drunk on.
That's
It
like
is.
a generic tiki drink.
That's the thing. It's
right?
like
It doesn't have anything that stands out. There's like no clove,
No.
there's no mint, there's no special
this
flavor.
is Trader Vic's #2 recipe, like most requested. Of course, the #1 recipe on AwesomeDrinks is a Long Island iced tea.
I'm not saying it's
So-
bad. I'm just saying, like, for tiki drinks, it doesn't have the differentiation that some of the drinks
It's
have.
missing.
There's-
It's missing allspice. It's missing clove. It's missing vanilla. It's missing
Pernod.
demerara. It's missing absinthe. All the things that you can get. A bomb of lemon. Like the Orgeat doesn't really make a big huge play here.
Nothing really
We
does.
use Hennessy because in the live stream, who is it? Oh, Trey. Trey's like, why aren't you using Hennessy? So we brought
And
Hennessy out
really, in
instead
this
of
drink,
brandy.
a half ounce of brandy, it shouldn't matter the type of
No.
brandy you're using.
It tastes like a fine, successful tiki drink, but nothing about it stands out that makes me want to go, I need to go show all my friends this drink. But you throw that shit in a big bowl
All of a sudden, it's cool.
and you light it on fire
Yeah.
with a little volcano on the top, now it's a drink.
Yeah, but that's
It's-
pretty
It's
cool.
so much different.
It's
Fire
so
changes
much
everything.
cooler.
fire changes it, it makes it into a different drink. There's a lot here, there's a good amount of alcohol, it gets you where you're looking to go, but it's not a fantastic, memorable drink.
It's not bad. It's just compared to tiki cocktails that we've had, it doesn't have a differentiator.
Right.
No, it tastes like orange and rum.
It's
Yeah.
fantastically average.
And you'll find
It is. Exactly.
It's well
It's-
balanced. It's not too acidic, too alcohol heavy, not too sweet. It's just
And if you wanted to, you could add a sweetener to it.
yeah. It seems like
And
it's a
they
good
would-
base. You could add
Yes.
like
I would add pineapple
allspice.
juice for my sweetener.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like if you added pineapple juice to this, the whole table would drink it.
Right, it'd be delicious.
You know what I mean? You add passion fruit to that. The
Oh my God, I
whole
would
table's gonna drink it.
Right.
It's
And you want to know the funny thing is, the original, very original Scorpion had it was in a large thing. It had a half a bottle of white wine in it. That's gonna change the drink a little bit. Like you add a half a bottle of white
lot of
wine
it.
to that,
Yeah.
like it's gonna. You know that drink we had, the fog cutter that had the
Yeah.
sherry. Imagine that only like fucking two full.
yeah.
Right. It's just gonna train wreck you.
I would think it would dry it out and like dilute it because
I
sherry
would
has a
definitely
very
dry it
distinct
out.
flavor. Being
Yeah.
a fortified wine, it's got a real sweetness to it that white wine may not have. So
Right, but I think
it's
the
got-
white
it's
the
got
white
an
wine.
effect.
There's a lot of significant amount of white. I mean, it is a half bottle of rum too, or whatever. But like, it's a big drink. This is less complicated than the original one, slightly. Then Dale DeGroff published in his book, The Craft Cocktail, which I probably got on my shelf, that is a slightly different tailored drink. And the whole goal is everybody keeps building out these Scorpion drinks that are simplified. Because it requires a lot of stuff and brandy, and you're like, oh no, I really need brandy for this. And some of them have gin and the white wine, and you're like, let's just make something simple. Then it's like, make something simple that tastes awesome.
it's like the jungle juice of tiki.
Yeah. You just, if you throw a bunch of crack together that has a lot of alcohol and called Scorpion, everybody's like, yeah, Scorpion stings. Psst, I want to have some more. And you put it in a bowl.
And half the times you can't taste.
It's got a cool name.
It was just like the bastard, right?
Yeah.
You couldn't tell. You couldn't
the
really
suffering
tell the
bastard, the
difference
dying bastard.
between having multiple different liquors in it.
The different
Spirits
variations
that-
didn't have enough variation
No.
to be.
No, it just added more alcohol. And in some cases, the original Suffering Bastard, all you did to get a Dying Bastard was cut all the ingredients in half and add more ingredients.
Yeah.
All you're doing is adding, you haven't changed the alcohol level, you're just adding a bunch of random stuff to it.
Yeah. Exactly.
I don't know. Like, it's a fine drink, but
It's alright.
I wouldn't, if it were me, this wouldn't be what I would consider the #2 for Trader Vic. Although, I would drink this over the Fog Cutter.
Oh, I mean, I definitely would.
But, and you want to think about it this way.
But I would
very
throw some
generic
pineapple in it.
drinks that have a very predictable flavor, as to the general populace, work the best.
Right.
Like, you're going to get the
It's
best
why
sell.
vodkas are the best sellers for distilleries.
Right. It's boring as crap. It's like eating cardboard. But
Versatile.
everybody can eat cardboard together as a big family of humanity.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's fine. Whatever. But it's not stellar. I would add fucking bitters.
There's nothing that distinguishes it
Yeah. No, it's
at all.
it's like the Scorpion. But in any case, thank you, Michael Colfe, for being our executive producer. Patreon.com/CMC to help us out on the show. Give me money, because
He needs it.
Healthcare
Yeah.
for Brianna and her MRI.
You got me all wet again.
Well, the nice thing about having a busted hip is you can tell when it's about to rain.
That's true. That's very true.
Let us know when the weather turns.
Yes.
I'm coming.
That look is not acceptable.
Teenage girls. You gotta love it.
It's coming.
Yeah, oh, trust
Oh,
me.
you're in for the shit.
Trust me.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah.
awesome.
I'll be a suffering bastard.
Wishing to be a dead bastard.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna go for that. You're
But
gonna
only
need to
to be
go
a dying man.
hardcore to the
Yeah.
drinks.
I'm going to be a dying bastard.
Here's the recipe of
Do you
above.
really want to be in the middle?
If you want to know, everything about the bastard recipes that we did, you can use a coupon code that popped up earlier. It's April 18 to save 18% off. Thank you for enjoying Tiki Week, Tiki Month, Tiki Night for us.
Yes.
The challenge for you guys is to take the Tiki Month playlist
And do it all at once.
Do it all in one night. See if you can pull it off.
And then come see me on the next live stream and tell me how you feel. Because I'm going to drink all these, and I'm still standing up.
If you don't have all the ingredients, it may be a little pain.
Of course you'd have all the ingredients. You can just go to
everybody-
awesomedrinks.com.
Well, I know you'll have all the
and
glasses.
brandy. And
Okay, invite some friends over. You get the option of having multiple friends
what's
over.
tiki without friends?
Exactly, that's true.
It
It's
makes perfect sense.
you getting fucking drunk by yourself. Is what
Have
it
a
is.
tiki party, taste these drinks.
Then you might be an
see what you like,
alcoholic.
make a menu for your friends, make some suggestions. Be that cocktail go-to guy. In your
Yes.
You can watch our video that I haven't yet recorded, but I have recorded it. I just haven't put it out yet. For everybody in the live stream. For everybody else, go watch the video I did on some of the substitutions you could do for Tiki Week, because I put out a video on what could you use if you don't have a light Puerto Rican rum or a Demerara rum to give you an idea where to go with it. We'll do another. If you like it, like this video and leave a comment if you'd like to see another Tiki Month. Because the summer's coming. There's nothing to say we can't do this in another 3 months.
Not the first one
At
we've
a
done
pool
either.
or something. It's not the first
We
one. we've
definitely,
done.
we got to go on location, outside.
Oh, another thing. I was talking to Dan, and I said, "Hey Dan, wouldn't it be neat if we just did a live stream where we just explored all the different? What was it wasn't zombie, was it? Yeah, I think it was all the zombies.
Yeah.
Going through just every zombie recipe that existed, and just for fun, not making videos per se, but just slightly structured. Just try them all and see what it tastes like.
We can do
That'd
that.
be a neat live stream, right? Leave your comments below. I need comments.
Next month. Tequila month.
Negroni month.
Negroni month? Oh, yeah, we should do. But that's what we should do. Like
Stefan.
a bitter.
Like
drink.
Amaro bitters.
Like
Bitter month.
4 ingredients.
That was in
4 whole ingredients.
Just remember that because I'm the only one that spilled the pineapple juice, but that's water over there. That's for me.
That's it. I can wipe it out.
Yeah, sure you can.
It's like snow.
Water's not
So
sticky.
tequila month?
I have enough recipes, but we have to go through them on our like off camera to make sure. that
Like
they're
margarita day?
If we could build and ratify a whole month worth of tequila recipes, we could do a tequila month. Leave your comments and
Yes.
recipe
So
suggestions.
who wants like a
month?
couple episodes like margaritas? Like
That's
margarita.
not an
like,
episode. It's a month of tequila. You can do 3 margaritas in that time.
It's like a sweet night for me.
And a couple
Okay, a month.
Month. Well, for us, it's a night. But
Then
whatever.
like a zombie one.
Zombie night.
Zombie night. Yes,
Just saying.
we can
Good.
definitely do that. Good.
Sidebar.
Gin month.
Tiki month to the sidebar. Gin month, yeah. That's like
That's
a winter
another
thing.
day for me.
Yeah, it's fall. And Sidebar, Tiki Month, and another series of playlists. Down below is AwesomeDrinks bartender starter kit. It's been a long night. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.